Sup, guys? Let's do this. What is up, you guys? Claudio back again with a new game of Will You Press the Button? I play this game once a week, as many of you know, and I enjoy it. So this week will not be any different. I will play a game of Will You Press the Button once again. I think I've done this for a few months now, like 20 weeks or something like that. And I feel the need to change it up a little bit. So I'm thinking of changing Will You Press the Button and like replacing it with another game. But I just don't know what other game I could play that's any fun. I like playing this one, Happy Wheel, and Either on the weekends. It's just pretty easy, laid back. You can come home from work and do your thing, so it's really nice. But anyway, guys, this week let's just get into it. Will you press the button? Alright. Now, become a genius with lots of money, but only people of your gender will find you attractive. Yes, I don't care. Just because they find me attractive doesn't mean I have to find them attractive. And yeah, so I don't care. The fucking problem with that, no problem at all. And 49% of the people pressed the button while 51 did not for some weird reason. But fuck it, let's do the next one. You will come into a large sum of money after a close friend or family member dies, but they will spend 5 years in horrible pain before passing away. What? They will spend 5 years in horrible pain before passing away? No, that's fucking ridiculous. Just for a large sum of money, it's not worth it. No. Alright, moving on. Now, you have the ability to shapeshift into an animal of your choice, but once a day, you randomly shapeshift and cannot control your actions. Yeah, that'd be really cool to have the ability to shapeshift. You know, I would shapeshift into like a bird of some sort. Like a hawk or an eagle or something like that. That'd be really fucking cool. Top predator. Yeah, that'd be awesome. But once a day you randomly shapeshift and cannot control your actions. Yeah, nah. I don't think it'd be worth it. So I will not. But having the ability to shapeshift would be fucking cool as hell. So yeah, alright. 53% of the people have pressed the button while 47 did not. So yeah. Now, you can live forever in the 90s, but there's no internet. I don't understand this. Why would you live forever in the 90s? That would fucking suck. But there's no internet. Well, basically, the first half of the 90s, we didn't have internet anyways. And the second half, the internet was really fucking slow. So that, you know, I'm talking about common people like you and me. I mean, I'm sure corporations and bigger like universities had internet and stuff like that, but like everybody, no, not like today. No, fucking weird, super bad. No. So yeah, all right, moving on. The next thing you touch turn into solid gold, but the next 50 things you touch after that catch fire. Sure thing. Did I press the fucking button, or is this... Oh, it's just fucking slow today. So the lag has jumped all the way from slither.io and kind of jumped into this game today. That's fucking impressive. Anyway, I pressed the button because the next thing your touch turns into solid gold. That would be what would be something big like my drums or like a guitar or something. And then the 50 other things I would just touch like stupid stuff, things I could put out with like, you know, water or an extinguisher or something like that. Yeah, sounds like a good deal. All right, moving on. Poverty in the third world countries ended, but white people disappear. What? This is kind of a weird... So poverty in the third world would end. The phrasing of that... Poverty in the third world countries ended, but white people disappear. How are you writing these? And I understand what they want to say, and no, I will not. That's fucking weird to get rid of people. But then again, I understand, but it's weird. No, I will not press the button. I don't think I don't know, it was a weird one, to be honest. But yeah, fuck it. Moving on. You get the ability to make anything you want a reality. Anything I want, huh? But you'll be alone in a vast space of empty. It's yeah. So no, then basically. I don't know. I don't even want to give this one, so I don't even want to think about it. You get $12 million. That's very specific. $12 million. Okay, cool. But you can only pay in pennies. I can only pay in pennies, huh? So I would carry around but like a backpack of pennies, basically. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't. It wouldn't be worth. I don't. No, fuck no. I don't want the hassle. It's just no. All right, 50% chance of gaining 100,000, but 50% chance of losing a toe. 100,000. That is a good amount. That's a lot of money. 100,000, but 50% chance of losing a toe. I mean, if it were any other toe, I would definitely press the button, but since we're talking about losing a toe, I don't think so. You know, that disrupts your balance and everything. It fucks everything up. Losing a toe, so yeah, I wouldn't gamble with that, so I would not press the button. All right. Moving on. Your girlfriend or boyfriend is your every desire and is up for anything you suggest. But there's 1/3 of a chance that she will do that also with someone else while in the relationship. Okay. So 1/3 of a chance. But you know what? If you have a girlfriend or boyfriend, depending on whatever you prefer, they would want to how do you say? How do you put it in a good way that everybody understands without sounding like a fucking pervert? Let's say I'm together with I have a girlfriend and she's really into something. I mean, as her boyfriend, would want her to be happy with me, basically. So I would go along with whatever she thinks would be cool to try out. No? Don't you think so? Don't you think that you would try to satisfy your boyfriend or girlfriend if you had one? Or do you if you have? I mean, it's like, what wouldn't you want that? It depends on what's your girlfriend, boyfriend is up. Is your every desire, and it's up for anything you suggest. Yeah. I mean, what I don't understand is why does it have to be like 1/3 of a chance that she or he will do do that also with someone else while in the relationship. That's I don't even know. Fuck that. I will not press the button. This is fucking weird. So yeah, no. Moving on. No homework ever. Yay! But every time you should have spent completing the homework will be taken up by watching My Little Pony. Yeah, no. But I don't have homework anyway, so I don't really care about this one. Alright, last one. You live forever. No, I don't want that. But you survive even when humanity in the world of the yeah, no, fuck no. I wouldn't want that. That's fucking insane. Let me know, guys. Live forever, but you survive even when the humanity and the world are destroyed. I don't know, 50% of the people pressed the button, while 50 did not. It's a 50-50 here. That's fucking weird. Anyway, this was the last one, okay? Thoughts? Yeah, guys, I don't know. What do you think? Live forever, but you survive even when humanity and the world are destroyed. So basically, you live alone, like in the vacuum of space or something like that. You keep on living, but there's nothing. It's like an eternity of nothing at all, while you're conscious. I don't understand how that dilemma or alternative got a 50-50% on this. Weird. I mean, everybody dies around you for all time, and then humanity like cease to exist, but you carry on forever in all eternity. Imagine that. That would be fucking weird. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what you thought about this, and especially the last. Would you live forever but survive everything and be like alone when the world and everything is destroyed around you? Doesn't sound like a good deal to me. But anyway, let me know what y'all think, and hopefully I see you guys in the next one.